Now we're back to Photoshop day 5. Let me show you the 3 dots here on the Move tool, which opens the Distribute function. I create an ellipse first, a rectangle and a triangle. I give them different fill colors. And we activate the Move tool for moving them around. I check Auto Select right here. Let's say we want to have them all positioned in line, and then we want to have the same distance between the ellipse and the rectangle and the triangle. To do that, we'll check our layers right here. You can left click on them to select them. And if you want to select multiple, you hold Control while you left click. And you can also go to the highest triangle 1 layer, in our case, hold Shift, click on the lowest ellipse 1 layer, and this will select these two and all layers in between. And now we can align that. Let's make sure it's in the same line, for example the top line. But let us go with the center line. But to have the same distance here, we can't really use this option, because this will just make them overlap. So let me press Ctrl Z to undo. Instead we need 3 dots, and here we have the distribute options right below the alignment, and this is what we need. So the center options here in these 2 groups of 3 are for centering them. We can align it to selection or the entire canvas. And this is how that works. For some elements you will also find align and distribute in the properties menu. For example, our layer here has that. For some elements this is not available as a property. And if you can't find the property menu, go to Window, click on Properties, and then it should open. Let me show you a use case. I create an ellipse and hold Shift when I do to have a circle. And now I simply hold Alt and left click drag copies out of there. That should be enough. You can see all of these ellipse layers. I'm on the highest layer, which is active, ellipse 1 copy 10. Hold Shift, click on the lowest ellipse 1 layer. All layers are selected. Now we use the alignment for top, all in the same top line now. Now we distribute it to center. Let me put that in a folder. It's group 1 now. Keep in mind I've got the auto select unchecked for the Move tool, and now I can move this group around. I hold Alt and drag copies out of there until our entire canvas is filled. They're not really in line and distributed properly, so we need to fix that. I'm on the top, group 1, copy 6. I hold Shift, click on the lowest group 1, all are selected. Now we align it right here to left, and now we distribute it using this center function. Let me put that in a folder as well, so all dots are in group 2 now, and they're equally spaced out. And this is how you can use the distribute function in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.